Now, number 4. Repeat. Hi folks, my name's.
Hi folks, my name's Edward.
Excellent.
Hi folks. Folks.
So I think this is number 5. Hi folks, hi ma'am, my name's. Repeat. I'll let you.
I'll let you.
I'll let you get settled. I'll let you get settled. Repeat.
I'll let you get settled.
And be back. I'll let you get settled and be back.
I'll let you get settled and be back
With some waters
with some waters
for the table. Hiya folks, my name's Jonathan. I'll let you get settled and be back with some waters for the table. Repeat. Hi ma'am.
Hi ma'am.
Hi sir. Hi folks.
Hi sir. Hi folks.
My name's.
I'll let you get settled and be back with some waters for the table.
Okay, put your name right here.
My name is Edward.
Repeat. Hi ma'am. Hi sir. Hi folks.
Hi ma'am. Hi sir. Hi folks. My name is Edward.
I'll let you get settled.
I'll let you get settled
And be back with some waters for the table.
and be back with some water for the table.
Excellent. Okay, say right here. I'll be back. I'll be back.
I'll be back.
I'll be back with some waters for the table.
I'll be back with some water for the table.
Excellent. Put it in your notebook so we can practice.